Yes, children, today we are going to start the chapter angles. What is an angle? An angle is a figure formed by two rays. Beta, the rays where they are meeting, that is known as vertex. Okay, and the rays are known as arms of the angle. For example, in this figure, OA and OB, these are the arms of the angle. Okay, and vertex is O. What is interior of an angle? This shaded region which comes inside between the rays is called interior of an angle. After that, the unit of measurement. What is there, beta? The degree is the unit of measurement for angles. One complete turn is equal to 360 degree, right? Beta, 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. That equal parts are known as minutes. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That dash means minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Double dash means second. Okay. Now, one complete angle I am showing. This is the ray. When it will rotate fully, it will make an angle of 360 degree. That is known as complete angle. Now we are going to discuss about the different types of angles. Yes, children, right angle means angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree. Okay. After that, acute angle, angle which is lying between 0 and 90 degree, means it is less than 90 degree. For example, 45 and 30 degree. After that, obtuse angle, angle which is lying between 90 and 180 degree. For example, 135 degree, 120 degree. Okay, beta. After that, straight angle, an angle which is equal to 180 degree is known as straight angle because it makes a straight line. That's why it is straight angle. After that, reflex angle, an angle which lies between 180 degree and 360 degree is called reflex angle. For example, 240 degree. I can show this one. Okay, till here beta it is 180 degree. After that it is more, so 180 plus something, so this one is reflex angle. After that, zero angle means no angle is formed whenever a ray is over other ray, so there is no angle between them, so that is known as zero angle. So yes, beta, what are adjacent angles? Two angles are called adjacent angles if they have the same vertex, if they have a common arm, and their other arms are on the different sides of the common arm. For example, in this beta, OAC, in this beta, angle AOB and COB. These are adjacent angle. In this, OB arm is common. Common means coming in both. And this O vertex is common. Okay, beta. So same vertex means vertex is O, common arm is OB, and these are known as different arms, OC and OE. One is on this side of OB and one is on this side of OB. That's why we are saying their other arms are on the different sides of the common arm. So in this, beta, angle AOB and COB are adjacent angles. Okay. Means just with this orange shaded part, this is first angle, this green one is other angle, means they are neighbor of each other, right? And this OB common arm is, means you can say it is a wall which is dividing two houses. So this is first angle, this is second angle, they are neighbor of each other, they are just adjacent angles. After that, beta, linear pair. Whenever two adjacent angles are lying on a line, they are said to form a linear pair. Means sum of these two angles is always 180 degree. If they have given one angle, we can find the other angle based on linear pair. So let's see one example. They have given one linear pair. They are asking one of the angles forming a linear pair is 135. Find the other. Because their sum is 180 degree, beta. If one is 135, other will be 180 minus 135. So I will say the other angle is 45 degree. Right? After this, what are complementary angles? Beta, whenever sum of two angles is 90 degree, they are said complementary of each other. For example, 30 degree and 60 degree, when I am going to add these, I am getting 90 degree. So they are complementary angles. If they have given one angle and they are asking find complement of each, complement of this, so subtract that from 90 and get the complement. For example, they are asking complement of 36. So I will subtract it from 90. 90 minus 36 is 54 degree. So 54 is complement of 36. Okay, both are complement of each other. After that, what are supplementary angles, beta? Whenever sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are said to be supplementary. For example, one is 90, other is also 90. So 90 plus 90 is 180. They are supplementary to each other. One is 100, other is 80. They are supplementary to each other. If they are say this is supplement of 80 and 100 is supplement of 80, 80 is supplement of 100. Okay. Suppose they have given one question that find supplement of this. Find supplement of 15 degree. So what I will do, I will subtract it from 180. 180 minus 15. So I can say that 165 is the supplement of 15 degree. Okay, beta. Now in this question they are saying that an angle is equal to its complement. Find the angle. Complement means beta angles are equal now, so both are x. Because they are complement of each other, so their sum is 90 degree. Okay. If 2x is 90 degree, so what will be value of x? 90 upon 2, 45 degree. You can check 45 plus 45 is 90 na? So they are complement of each other. Same way you can do for supplement. Okay. So x plus x will be equal to 180 and solve and get the value of x. That will be 90 degree. One more question based on this. Two angles are supplementary if one of them is 30 degree less than 5 times the other. Find the angles. Beta angles are supplementary means their sum is equal to 180 degree. If one of them is 30 less than the 5 times the other. So if take first as x. So 5 times of that 5x and 1 is 30 less than 5 times. So 5x minus 30. So two angles are, one is x, other is 5x minus 30. Because these are supplementary, so x plus 5x minus 30 means their sum is equal to 180 degree, right? So x plus 5x will be 6x and this 30 will go on right hand side. So 180 plus 30. This will be 210. Okay. So value of x will be 210 upon 6. Okay. Now you divide. 6 3s are 18. What will come? 3. 6 5s are 30. So first angle is 35 degree and other angle is 5 into 35 minus 30. So this will be 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 and 2 17. 175 minus 30. So I can write 145 degree. These are the required angles. Point. Beta angles at a point means they are angle about a point. They are from sum of these angles will be 360 degree. So I will add all these and subtract it from 360. So I will get the value of x. So 85 plus 30 plus 75 plus 40 plus 45 plus x will be equal to 360 degree. When I will add all these, I will get 275. So 275 plus x is 360. So value of x will be 360 minus 275. Okay. So I'll get my answer as 85 degree. Okay. Next is vertically opposite angles, beta. So whenever two lines are intersecting each other, the angle which are opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. They have just one vertex common. No arm is common among them. So for example, angle AOD and BOC, they are vertically opposite. Okay. And now this orange angle BOD and angle COA, they are vertically opposite angles. So we have one property: when the two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles are equal. Next is equal angles, beta. Equal or congruent angles means they have same measure. You know very well 45, 45, these are equal angles. Okay. bisector of an angle. So the line, the ray which is dividing the angle into two equal parts, that is known as bisector of the angle. For example, in this OC is dividing this into 30-30. So this OC is bisector of angle AOB. Okay. Next is bisector of a line segment. Obviously bisector means this is dividing the line segment AB into two equal parts. Okay. So in this CD is bisector of line segment AB. Okay. So AC is equal to CB. Now some more questions of the exercise beta. Two angles are supplementary. One of them is 80 degree more than the other. Find the angles. Because angles are supplementary, their sum will be equal to 180 degree. One of them is 80 more than the other. So let one angle is x. So other will be x plus 80, right? Now their sum will be x plus 80 will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So 2x plus 80 is 180 degree. It means value of 2x will be 180 minus 80. That is 100 degree. So x will be 100 upon 2, 50 degree, right? So if first angle is 50, other is 50 plus 80, 130 degree. I hope it is clear. Next question. Two adjacent angles add up to 150 degree. One is 5 times the other. Find the angles. Adjacent angles beta, one arm is common. Their sum is 150 degree, right? If one is x, other is 5 times of that. So other is 5x. So what is there? X plus 5x is 150 degree. They have given in the question. So 6x is 150 degree. So value of x will be 150 upon 6, right? So 6 2s are 12. 3 will come down. So 6 5s are 30, right? So 25 degree we have got. So other angle will be 5 into 25, 125. You can check 20 and 125 is 150 degree, right? Beta next part is two supplementary angles are in the ratio 7:5. Then find them. So beta let the supplementary angles be, because ratio is 7:5. So 7x and 5x. Because these are supplementary, so sum of 7x and 5x will be 180 degree, right? Means 12x is 180 degree, right? So x will be 180 upon 12. Okay. So I can do 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So this will be 15 degree, right? So first angle is 7 into 15, 105. Second angle is 5 into 15, 75 degree. So we have got the answer. I hope it is clear to you. Now beta next question is based on vertically opposite angles. Beta in this question they have given value of y, that is 30 degree, and they are asking the value of different angles, remaining angles. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So if y is 30, u is vertically opposite to it. So u will also be 30 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. They are equal. Now beta see this one. This above line x and y, they are forming linear pair. So I can get the value of x. Okay, because x plus 30 is 180 degree. So I will come to know that x is 180 minus 30. That is 150 degree. Similarly, because x and z are vertically opposite, so z is also 150 degree, vertically opposite angles. So like one more last question. Beta in this find the value of x in the following figure. So beta if this is 6x, this is also 6x because these are vertically opposite angles. Now you see above the line. This is a line. So sum of angles will be 180 degree. So I can add these 2x plus 6x plus 4x. 2x plus 6x plus 4x and keep it equal to 180 degree. So beta 2, 6, 8 and 4, 12x is 180 degree, right? So x will be 180 upon 12. 6 2s are 6 3s are and 15 degree. So I have got the value of x. Okay. So now you complete the exercise, practice all these questions, and remaining questions will be discussed in the online class. Okay.